Let's import your OKX history into Folio. Inside Folio, hit Add Trade and switch to the CSV tab. Now over to OKX. Open Assets, then go to Order Center and switch to the Position History tab. Not Order History, not Trading History. On the right, hit the download icon. That opens Export History Report, already set to Position History. Set Instrument to All, then open the Date Range dropdown, choose Custom, and pick your start and end date. Here's the one thing to know. OKX needs about 2 days to finalize position data, so the most recent couple of days will be grayed out in the calendar. If you want everything up to today, just set your end date 2 days back. Set the format to CSV, hit Export, and your request lands in the list below as pending. Back in Folio, drop the CSV into the box. Folio detects OKX automatically and previews every closed position. Set the import time zone so your timestamps line up. Folio will even flag any trades that look off. Before you import, this panel sets a baseline for the whole batch. Leverage a setup, an emotion, a tag, or a single note across every trade. But that's just the start. Imported trades are just data until you make them honest. So open each trade and do the real work. Why did you take it? Double check the leverage. A sync can only approximate it. Did you actually follow your plan? Folio's AI coach reads exactly this to analyze your trading and help make you profitable. That's where a journal stops being a spreadsheet and starts making you better. Hit import. And your closed trades land right in your journal. Folio exists to make traders profitable. Let's get you there.